Hi, my name is Muhammad Amarul Amizi bin Abdul Rahim. My number matric A20A1480. Name of lecturer is Naresh Kumar anak lelaki Sami. Today I would like to present about my individual assignment TLF Fundamental of Management EFT 1023 with class L2. This objective assignment is understanding by the term management and explain the four management functions implemented in TLF to increase the efficiency and effectiveness of their employees, processes, project, and organization as works. Number 2, identify the top management and look holdings Denverhart and explain 10 roles that the top level manager executes. And the last objective is why innovation is important to CEO Brian Lu Jobs and describes how technology changed the way managers work today. Before we go to the objective, I would like to share about what is TLF. TLF is a TKV chain branch operating in Malaysia owned by Look Holdings Denverhart. TLF was introduced on February 17, 2017 by Brian Lu, who has the Look Chief Executive Officer, by introducing TLF as his brand to take TLF to higher levels. TLF previous known as Chetem and Cha means in Chinese, but in early 2017, Lakafa International, the parent company of Chetem, decided to terminate its deal with Deal Holding, a Brian Lu company. The agreement between Lakafa and Look was terminated due to Taiwan disagreement over the business direction in Chetem in Malaysia. 2 months after losing the Chetem franchise, Look Holding Brian started his home brand TLF, which opened the first international outlet in Vietnam. TLF will be their new beginning to make a great tea, and the brand will now feather for signature drink named Signature Brown Sugar Pearl Milk Tea, Roasted Milk Tea with handmade pearls, Sweet Potato, Signature Passion Fruits Green Tea, and lastly, Grapefruit Tea Booster. For Objective 1 is Management Function in TLF. Management is a set principle relating the function of planning, organizing, directing, and controlling, and the application of the principle in harnessing physical, financial, human, and information resources efficiently and effectively to achieve organization goals. There are 4 management functions implemented in TLF to increase efficiency. That is organizing, planning, controlling, and leading. The first management function in TLF is planning. For definition, planning is also defining goals, establishing strategy, and developing plan to coordinate activities. As a planning, CEO has planned that he announced to Air Japan as next target by the last quarter at the next year in TLF gifting collaboration and programs. This is a planning. So as increase of efficiency and effectiveness of their employees, process, project, and organization as a whole in planning, TLF will ensure that all employees TLF work according to a plan set by Brian Lu through the description via in official TLF. For efficiency, the management of TLF will ensure that every employee will be proficient in blending TLF product. The next management function is organizing. Simple besides, Brian Lu has also collaborated with his team founder that he wants company is focused on its mission and target of achieving its business strategy to be strong financially in the position of leader, supervisor who will given permission to administer the TLF branch in improving efficiency of its employees. The next management function in TLF is leading. Brian Lu, as the head who leads TLF, has also given a spirit and motivation to the employee to ensure that his employees are always loyal to his company. In 2019, he brought the entire TLF staff to movie night and has booked the entire cinema. He also had a friendly chat with his employee that some people say that Malaysia has never been able to create a global brand, but we can prove it the statement is false. The last management function in Telef is controlling. As a controlling, Brian Lu monitor the budget and resource to ensure that they are using resource available and not going over budget for budget adjustment while staffing adjustment they need to make selling decisions. Brian Lu also improved the efficiency and his employee by creating a benchmark for each leader at the current performance outlets to provide bonus if the performance seen exceed with what Loop Holding expects. The next objective is top management at Loop Holding Sdn Bhd. In Telef or Loop Holding Sdn Bhd, the top management is Brian Lu. Chat Tam is currently the fastest growing beverage brand in Malaysia, and Lu leads the fastest growing Chat Tam franchise in the Asia regions, opening 100 outlets in 3 years. Brian Lu also have a good characteristic to lead his company, and the proof nowadays he have more 150 outlets in Malaysia. 10 role top manager level execute in organization, which have 3 categories: interpersonal, which figurehead, leader, liaison; informational, monitor, disseminator, spokesperson; and decisional, entrepreneur, disturbance handler, resource allocator, and negotiator. In role figureheads, Brian Lu makes skill training for his employee to be proficient in this field of the beverage business, and he is often friendly at the end of the training sessions. Brian hopes his employee will be able to say that they left the company having honed their entrepreneurial skill enough to create something of their own. In role leader, Brian Lu also cultivating budding entrepreneur with his employee to make sure always proficient in management through portfolio business in training. Not only that, but Brian Lu also finding the right fit where build his organization to be agile enough to recycle people and bring them into inclusive training modules. The next role is liaison. Because Brian Lu have partnered in Vietnam with the name King Do Corps, the largest movie consumer good company in the country, Brian Lu could open 100 outlets in the next 3 years, as the partner probably own many hotels and shopping mall and will open many stalls in the center he owns. This shows Brian Lu making partner liaison as a method of expanding of the Telef market at Loop Holdings Sdn Bhd. The next role is monitor. Brian Lu and his top-level management earlier Loop Holdings Sdn Bhd was given notice by Chat Tam to sever the management business relationship, and Brian Lu immediately sought legal advice in continue his stay business so as not to cause his employee to worry about the company liquidation. He also changed the product name to Telef and remain until now and constantly monitor the trading done by this prospective employee based on the portfolio of Loop Holdings Sdn Bhd. For the role disseminator, as you see beside this slide, Brian Lu and his top manager will communicate with employees through the official Telef website and event, held and after chat with prospective employee after the training he organized in the plan show that show them play role disseminator as manager. For the next role is spokesperson. As you see beside the slide, Brian Lu also played this role because in 2019 he be a spokesperson in event Telef Gifty. At the Telef Gifty collaboration event, Brian Lu told the public that the partnership was in the line with the company target of making Telef a global brand. He also informed the media and the public that Telef product will add Japan as the next target to penetrate the international market with the addition of outlet for Telef product. The role management that Brian Lu execute is entrepreneur. As examples, the conflict in 2017 and 2018 between the holdings and Chat Tam caused his company to lose raw material resource and product equity had to be changed, but he has able to solve the problem by agree with top management team several sympathized with Chatham at the time. He also talked to member of management holding until Brian Lu came up the idea to change the name the Chatham to Telef, and he provided a training program of making the Telef brand to new employee and implemented until now. Next role is disturbance handler. Brian Lu in 2019, since the COVID-19 pandemic hit the country, has caused youth and their management to promote and introduce work ethic and by wearing and notifying on outlet to provide customer service space, practicing 1 meter social improvement in their outlets. This is Brian Lu action when the problem is in the external inside Telef. The next role is resource allocator. For examples, Brian Lu has invested a lot of Telef assets and resources to make it, which now also serve as a retail technology research development to ensure business operations remain in good shape for all Telef around the world. The last role that Brian Lu executed is negotiator. This can be proved by Brian Lu has collaborated with halal skincare firm Safi in expanding the market because the product produced are based on the same raw material that is there. He has negotiated the benefit gained by both parties in developing the tea industry in the country, not only beverage but also beauty product that can be also benefit Telef as well. Last objective, individual assignment is important innovation Brian Lu job and important technologies in manager now. For firstly, important innovation Brian Lu job have three importance. Mass Brian Lu partnership and his investors trusted Telef products, ensure product Telef are relevant and continue survive, and pave the way for international expansion. Technology changed the way manager work today. That's the title in this slide. But exactly, the technology changed the way manager work today in telecommunicating. What is the advantage in telecommunicating? Have 5. That's able to monitor employee in remote locations, offer opportunity for business in area with high labor costs, ensure appreciate and timely quality of works, help a manager deal with small or large problem in generating productivity, and lastly, with telecommunicating, is ensure manager employee maintain the performance in their work. As conclusion, Telef has success in becoming one of the most popular and well-known brand among the community in Malaysia because the management in Telef is very efficient in all sides.